Are you seeking a sustainable energy solution to complement your home power or enhance off-grid living? Look no further than the Automax Windmill 1500 watts. In today's exploration, we delve deep into the specifications of this compact yet powerful wind turbine. From its energy output to pricing details, we leave no stone unturned. Additionally, stay tuned for exciting news regarding a special discount offer for those considering investing in this turbine. Join me as we uncover the features and benefits of the Automax Windmill 1500 watts, your gateway to renewable energy empowerment. Let me start by giving you a brief background information about the manufacturer of this small wind turbine. Automax Windmill Company emerged onto the renewable energy scene in 2001, carving out a niche in the wind power industry with a primary focus on small wind turbines. One of the key pillars of Automax's success lies in its manufacturing expertise. The company takes great pride in producing its wind turbines in-house, with manufacturing facilities based in Taiwan. By maintaining control over the production process, Automax ensures the highest standards of quality and craftsmanship in its products. This commitment to excellence has earned the company a reputation for reliability and durability in the renewable energy market. At the heart of Automax's mission is a dedication to innovation tailored specifically for residential settings. By offering a range of solutions designed for homes, Automax empowers homeowners to harness the power of renewable resources and reduce their reliance on traditional energy sources. Whether through the installation of wind turbines or other renewable energy products, Automax enables individuals to take proactive steps towards achieving greater energy independence and environmental sustainability. Automax's commitment to excellence empowers residential solutions using renewable resources, surpassing industry standards. Automax leads the way toward a greener world with a passion for environmental stewardship and ensuring customer contentment. The Automax Windmill 1500 watts boasts a maximum output of 1500 watts with a rated speed of 31.3 miles per hour, 14 meters per second. Its mounting hub diameter is 1.9 inches, accommodating its three-phase permanent magnet brushless generator type. The maximum power point tracking output options are 24 volts and 48 volts, with a cut-in wind speed of 5.6 miles per hour or 2.5 meters per second, and a spinning diameter of 5.6 feet or 1.7 meters. The turbine's blades are constructed from glass fiber and polypropylene, ensuring durability and efficiency. Its battery capacity is greater than or equal to 200 ampere-hours, while the turbine itself weighs 44 pounds and features 3 blades. It comes with a warranty lasting for 2 years. Safety is of utmost importance when working with wind turbines, and Automax understands this well. Included in the package is an installation manual that provides essential safety instructions specific to the Automax 1500 watts model. It is imperative never to attempt installation without first consulting this manual. For additional guidance, Automax offers a video guide accessible on their YouTube channel. While there's a helpful video guide available for a 600 watts Automax wind turbine installation, the general steps for assembly and connection are similar for the 1500 watts model. However, it's crucial to prioritize the instructions outlined in the official Automax manual to ensure proper installation and safety precautions are adhered to. In cases where uncertainty arises during the installation process, it's advisable to consult directly with Automax for clarification or assistance. Moreover, it's essential to consider certain additional factors. Firstly, always check local regulations with your building department or relevant authorities to ensure proper permits are obtained, and the windmill meets all regulations applicable to your area. Secondly, while Automax windmills are designed for DIY installation, the 1500 watts model is a significant piece of equipment. If you're not comfortable with installing it yourself, it's wise to consider seeking assistance from a qualified professional for installation to ensure safety and proper setup. The Automax 1,500 watts wind turbine offers an efficient and sustainable solution for renewable energy generation. The pricing for this wind turbine varies depending on the voltage system selected. For the 24-volt system, the cost is $1,460 US. This option provides a reliable power generation solution for setups requiring a lower voltage system. It offers affordability while still delivering significant power output, making it an attractive option for many users. On the other hand, the 48-volt system is priced slightly higher at $1,559 US. This option caters to setups that demand higher voltage requirements, offering enhanced power capabilities and performance. Despite the slightly higher cost, the 48-volt system provides increased efficiency and compatibility with other components in the system. Both the 24 volts and 48-volt systems offer excellent value for the features and performance they provide. The pricing reflects the quality and reliability of the Automax 1,500 watts wind turbine, making it a competitive choice in the renewable energy market. There is still some very useful information to share with you about this powerful wind turbine for home. But before I continue, please permit me to quickly walk you through the discount that is on offer. If you're contemplating purchasing the Automax wind turbine, here's an exclusive offer for you. Enjoy a generous 15% discount on all your purchases with Automax using the discount code RENEWEDENERGY15. It's important to note that this discount code is an affiliate offer, meaning that I receive a commission for any purchases made using it. However, rest assured that you won't be paying anything extra. Instead, you'll benefit from a significant 15% discount on your purchase. Here's a breakdown of what's included. Turbine, the heart of the system, responsible for capturing wind energy and converting it into electricity. The turbine is engineered for durability and high energy yield. 3 blades. These aerodynamically designed blades are crafted to efficiently capture wind energy and transfer it to the turbine's rotor. The 3-blade configuration is optimized for stability and performance. 3 spare blades. In the event of damage or wear, having spare blades ensures minimal downtime and uninterrupted operation of the turbine. Nose cone. The nose cone serves to streamline airflow and reduce aerodynamic drag, enhancing the overall efficiency of the turbine. MPPT charge controller. This crucial component regulates the voltage and current from the turbine to optimize power output and ensure compatibility with the electrical system. Hub. The hub connects the blades to the turbine's rotor, facilitating the transfer of rotational energy. Vertical tail. The vertical tail plays a vital role in stabilizing the turbine and maintaining its proper orientation to the wind. Brake switch. Manual stop switch. This safety feature allows for manual stopping of the turbine when necessary, such as during maintenance or in emergencies. Accessory pack. This pack likely includes various hardware, fasteners, and components necessary for installation, maintenance, and operation of the turbine. Together, these components form a comprehensive wind energy solution capable of delivering reliable and sustainable power generation. Can a 1,500-watt wind turbine meet the energy needs of an average home? While it's an enticing prospect, it's worth noting that a single small wind turbine is unlikely to suffice as the sole energy source for an average home. Small wind turbines, such as those producing up to 1,500 watts, are typically employed to complement existing energy sources and help reduce overall energy costs. Taking the United States as a case study, a 1,500 watts wind turbine may not fully meet the energy demands of an average home due to several key factors. Average U.S. home energy use. According to the U.S. Energy Information Administration, the average U.S. home consumes around 1,087 kilowatt-hours of electricity per month. Wind turbine output. The output of a wind turbine is contingent on wind speed. While a 1,500-watt turbine theoretically has the capacity to generate 1,500 watts of power, this is under ideal wind conditions. Real-world output varies based on location and wind patterns. Ideal versus realistic output. In an ideal scenario, a 1,500-watt turbine could theoretically produce 1.5 kilowatt-hours of electricity in an hour. Over a 24-hour period, this equates to 36 kilowatt-hours. In a month, assuming 30 days, this totals 1,080 kilowatt-hours, which may seem sufficient. However, this calculation assumes constant, optimal wind conditions, which are unrealistic. A more realistic assessment considers factors such as wind consistency and system losses. Taking these factors into account, it becomes evident that a 1,500-watt wind turbine would likely fall short of fulfilling the energy needs of an average U.S. home on its own. However, when multiple 1,500-watt wind turbines are deployed or integrated with other renewable energy sources or used in conjunction with energy-efficient practices, these small wind turbines can still play a valuable role in meeting your energy needs, thereby reducing dependence on conventional power sources. The Automax windmill, 1,500 watts turbine, is engineered to meet the demands of both commercial and industrial applications, offering a cost-effective and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional energy sources. This wind turbine stands as a beacon of sustainable energy, offering a reliable solution for both residential and off-grid living needs. As a reminder, for those ready to embark on their journey to renewable energy empowerment, we're thrilled to offer an exclusive discount. Simply use the discount code RENEWEDENERGY15 at checkout to enjoy a generous 15% off all your purchases with Automax. This discount isn't just a token of appreciation, it's a step towards a greener future where renewable energy solutions like the Automax Windmill 1500 watts pave the way for environmental stewardship and energy independence. So why wait? Seize this opportunity to invest in sustainability and savings. Harness the power of the wind with Automax, and let's embark on a journey towards a brighter, cleaner tomorrow together.